Good morning. My name is Shaheen. I'm a life orientation educator here at Bedlam Secondary School. My children and I, along with our principal, Mr. Ismail, and Mr. Deputy Principal, Mr. S. Chetty, had attended the Accelerated Learning Program that is held at Mount View Civic Hall on the 9th of April. First of all, my experience, personal experience on it, it was a very interesting and innovative program. I also learned quite a bit from it. Learned things such as, also besides teamwork, it also helps boost your self-confidence, with a touch of humor from Mr. Bayat himself. I really enjoyed it. The kids also found it very enjoyable with the humor. It also motivated them as well to study more. Actually, a few kids were unable to come, but that's understandable, but the vast majority did, and they found it to be very interesting and helpful to them, as well as assist them when they study, tips. It makes the also as with regards same how it did for me with regards to boosting self-esteem, self-confidence. It helped do that for some of them as well, and I could see some of them are look much more confident after they had attended that program. And I gotta say thank you to you, Mr. Bayak, and your team for putting a lovely program together like that. I really enjoy it. I really appreciate it. Thank you, sir.